I hit a lot of lucky shots in the beginning. I had no idea what I was doing, but I refused to stop swinging.
I don't care if you hit the ball. I just care that you're swinging the bat.
Because you can't hit anything if you're not swinging.
I don't care if you're embarrassed about falling down. I don't care if you're embarrassed about who's looking.
Think about it, Michael Jackson. You got a BMW today. It's the beginning of the revenge of everybody who said you're stupid for doing it.
Yeah.
What matters is that you swing the bat.
But I'll be proud of you if you do it the wrong way. Because at least you're swinging.
If you're gonna swing the bat, say me too.
Me too.
How many of you will commit to swing?
Yeah.
There were so many people in that room that aren't with us today because they stopped swinging the bat. Here's what I'm going to tell you. Whether you participate or not, we still will swing the bat. Whether we see you again or not, we will be on stage. The question is, will it be you? Here's what I know. There will be people that walk director at the next event. The question is, will it be you? See, I want you to walk out of this place tonight with the Me Too attitude. Say me too.
Me too.
Somebody is going to hit the ball. Say me too.
Me too.
Somebody is going to take this thing serious. Say me too.
Me too.
See, when you come out of this thing, I don't care if you hit the ball. I just care that you're swinging the bat. Somebody's going to swing the bat. Say me too.
Me too.
I don't care if you're embarrassed about falling down. I don't care if you're embarrassed about who's looking. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you swing the bat. If you're going to swing the bat, say me too.
Me too.
You have to understand we all started one day. You can look at us on stage and you can respect us. You can honor us. You can look up to us. But the bottom line is we all started one day. One day on a Saturday night at a major event, Ed Blunt could fit his whole team in one room, a hotel room. And in that hotel room, I was talking to people who were just hitting senior rep, and that was the highest level in the room other than Ed Blunt and myself. And I was telling people like Jay Peso, Julio Acosta, Francesca, Valerie, and I was telling them, I promise you, if you swing the bat, you'll hit the ball. Here's what I do know. That 100% of every shot that never takes will never go in. It's impossible to hit the ball if you don't swing. Trust me, they made a lot of mistakes. Tara made a lot of mistakes. Your leaders in this room, Craig Sweet, he made a lot of mistakes. We all make a lot of mistakes. But here's what I promise you, we can fix it in the air. An airplane, when it's in the air, it's fixed constantly. An airplane has to adjust itself using technology throughout an entire flight. At every moment that an airplane is in the air, it's constantly adjusting itself. It's constantly fixing itself. And an airplane is an incredible invention. If an airplane that's worth millions upon dollars has to correct itself during every flight at every moment. If an airplane takes off and it doesn't correct itself for 15 minutes, it is no longer going in the direction you think it's going. And if an airplane has to correct itself, I'm telling you, it's okay to be corrected. It's okay, just swing. Swing the bat. Swing the bat. Well, Johnny, it's easy for you to say that. You're a big shot. It's easier for Valerie Acosta to say that. She's a big shot. Every big shot was a small shot that just kept shooting. All I can ask of you, I can't tell you to be perfect. I can't even tell you to be accurate. But I can tell you this. I got $1 million earner that's listening to me right now that was a senior rep when I told him to swing the bat. Julio Acosta, Valerie Acosta will be $1 million earners this year. And when I told them to swing the bat, they were senior reps. I promise you, if you swing the bat, we'll fix it in the air. I don't care if you do it wrong. As long as you don't lie, as long as you're not sinning, as long as you're not manipulating people, if you're not stealing from people, if you're not misleading them, swing the bat. Mark Cassetto will fix you in the air. Your trainers will fix you in the air. Stop waiting to get in the air to be perfect. You know how much money it would cost to bring an airplane out of the sky just to correct itself? Some of you want to get out of the sky to be corrected to slow down your momentum. And I'm saying this, I don't care if you do it the wrong way, as long as you're not doing anything illegal. Swing the bat. When you were a child, you didn't care who was watching you when you started to learn the process of walking. You didn't tell your mother or grandparents or whoever raised you, Daddy, they're watching me, they're going to laugh. I'm not going to try to walk again because they're going to laugh at me. I'm not going to try to take another step because when I fall down, they're going to laugh. See, when you were a child, all you said was, if mommy can do it, say me too.
Me too.
If daddy can do it,
Me too.
if big brother can do it,
Me too.
if Matt Morris can do it,
Me
if
too.
Jeff Both can do it,
Me too.
if the twins can do it,
Me too.
if Dave Lloyd can do it,
Me too.
if Tyra can do it,
Me too.
if Valerie can do it,
Me too.
if Wendy can do it,
Me too.
I promise you, the only thing I'm qualified to ask you to do is swing the bat. I can't push you to a place that you don't desire to go. But I can tell you this. The people who swing the most win faster. Those who swing slow, win slow. And I'm telling you right now, swing the bat. Every opportunity you have to show this deal, you swing that bat. Swing. Kick. Run. Whatever your favorite sport is, get in the game and just take action. The only way to win is you gotta swing. There was no way in the world that I could have predicted in that room with Ed Blunt and his team who my next IMD was going to be. There was no way in the world I would have known who my next leaders were going to be. There's no way that I knew that Jay Peso would be knighted as a trainer speaking all over the world. Michael Jett, Julio Acosta. There's no way in the world I would have known that day when I told everybody to swing the bat. 20 people in one room has now counted to well over 20,000 people around the world, and that's just one team. It's not including Israel. It's not including Cyprus, Greece. It's not including South Africa. It's not including all the other teams that are here. But I can tell you this. When you go look at Team Wimbrey Worldwide and you look at the leadership board, you look at the $1 million board, you're looking at people who swung the bat. How do you make it to the top, Johnny? You swing the bat. How long is it going to take, Johnny? I don't know. I don't know how long it's going to take. Only you know that. But I'm like Dory in Finding Nemo. I don't know how long it's going to take to get there, but just keep swimming. I don't know when the net is going to open up and break for you, but just keep swimming. I promise you, if you swing the bat, you'll walk the stage. If you stop swinging the bat, I probably will never see you again. Because the reality is, those who swing the bat win. Pick the bat up. People are going to laugh at you whether you're broke or not anyway. They might as well laugh at you when you're rich. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you get this message to your team. Just know that the greatest thing about our team is also my biggest pain. It's great that we have grown well over 500,000 sales since my day of inception. It's great that we grow. It's amazing. But my pain is I can't touch you. My pain is it's gotten so big that I can't reach out and touch you anymore like I used to. And that's why I train my leaders to do what I did. So if they tell you something, that's me. If they're teaching you something, that's me. If they're giving you advice, that's me. If I'm giving you advice, that's Marcusetta. We duplicate the exact same language. If you rebel against your leader, you're rebelling against me. If you talk bad about your leader, you're talking bad about me. You talk bad about me, you're talking bad about Marcusetta. How much longer do you want to have that problem? You walk out of this thing tonight, and you start swinging the bat. Position yourself to score. Get pissed off at anything that's holding you back. Because you'll never get pissed on until you get pissed off. And it's time for you to turn this thing on. Get in the game. I love all of you. I appreciate you. I'm grateful to all of you. On behalf of myself and my wife, thank you guys so much for playing ball.